Look at that. How do you drive around like this? You can't see out of the car. How do you drive? Another genius with snow all over the back window. Yeah, race to that red light. Look at him. Big hurry going nowhere. Ilana? Whoop. Go. Just go. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so
Have a good day.
much.
Thank you. Take care. Thank you. Thank you. How do I do this? Thanks for covering your mouth when you cough. Thanks. Just pass germs to everybody. It's fine. People never learn manners, do they? You know, just stand by me coughing, stand by everybody else coughing. It's fine. Don't even cover your mouth. It's all right. Dirty. It's 35 degrees and breezy. 35 degrees outside and breezy. I'm out here working like I always am. No one else is doing delivery, so that's why I'm here. Make some money. Just dress warm, you'll be okay. I'll just throw the snow in the middle of the road. I gotta go over here because, you know. That's nice. Look out! No one's paying attention. He's busy looking at the... Hello? There could have been a car coming up behind you. You would have smashed into you. Would have never seen it coming. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Take care. What's on Bell Boulevard? Where's he in a big hurry going? These people are idiots. Get out of my way. I'm in a hurry. I gotta race to the next stoplight. Beep. Ouch. Alright. See, look how dirty your bike gets when you're riding ride in the snow. Look how filthy it is. It's all right. These are these people who can't park far away because they're afraid of walking in the cold. I don't want to park far away. It's too cold. And they're too lazy to walk, so they just leave the shopping carts right there. Brother. So I gotta go all the way. Well, what is with these idiots today? Does no one know how to drive in this place? Another great thing about riding in the winter, your brakes get really contaminated. And they make a lot of noise. These are ceramics, by the way. They don't make any noise. But, yeah. When your rotors are contaminated and your pads are contaminated with, you know, road salt and all kinds of junk. And, like, road salt gets in between there and it's digging into the rotor. You know, and that's what happens. Maria? Okay, thank you. Got it, thank you. Here you go. Have a good one, thank you.
Christina?
All right, thank you.
There you go, boss.
Thank you, have a good one. Oh, I know. There you go. Have a good day.
I'll let you wait.
Thanks. What are they doing? Oh yeah, this is good. This is... You know, there's a 2-ton SUV behind you. Be careful. Look out. He's busy texting on his phone. I mean, seriously. Can he make it? There's room.
Hey. Wait. He's open. Good pass, he's open. Good pass. Hey, lady. Wait. Good pass. Wait. Hey. Your gas is open.
Your fuel door's open.
It's open.
Your fuel door, yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.